Yo, what the fuck is going on, chat? Back here with another video. We are about to break down what is going on with BTC. And we're going to see how we can capitalize off of what's going on. It's my alerts right there. BTC is doing this thing. So, let's break this down, right? So, first thing we want to look at is that price made a new low. No, scratch that. First thing we want to know is that price made a new high. Price made a new high, right? Where did price make a high from? This level right here, this higher low. Because price said I did not want to go back down. So price ended up pushing up, creating a structure of an uptrend with higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. That is an uptrend. We've already talked about that. Now, price has made an high. Now, price is supposed to, if we're in an uptrend, price is supposed to respect its levels, right? Respect its levels, respect its levels, respect its levels. Once price made this new high, we came back and we made a lower high, and price started to push past the support levels in which price was supposed to hold it up and push price higher. But we didn't. We broke past two major lower, higher, low levels, which we were supposed to respect. We broke this level and we broke this level. We ended up breaking this level and breaking this level, and now we've made a new low in the market. Buyers have stepped in at this level, causing price to go up. But honestly, this is an indication downward, letting us know that we have potential up under this level to sell. Potential up under this level to sell. We are now waiting for the correction to happen on the 15-minute. We took this trade right here at the break of structure all the way down here to the nearest low that I knew that we could take out. Made money. Shit was awesome. Watched it go down, no drawdown as you can see, just straight down because that's how you're supposed to trade. And now we know that's how we're supposed to trade. That's how you will see. I no longer care about what happens right here. All I care about is breaker structure. Breaker structure. That's what we're understanding. You know what I'm saying? Breaker structure, indication, correction, then continuation. We don't have to get the whole move. We can get the money that we know that we can make, breaking these lows. Now we found support here because this is where price bought up. So buyers are naturally going to come in and try to save this level. Sellers up here at this level needs to start, is going to get tested. So we're going to put this box up here called sellers because I know one thing, that price does have the potential to come back up to this level and create that BART head that everybody's been talking about. You know what I'm saying? We make that BART head and we get the pushing the fuck down, and we're going to go heavy into shorts, pushing price all the way down, knowing that structure is going to break, and we just wait. We're going to sell price all the way down to this level right here. So once price, I'm gonna say we're gonna break this level, boom, right, and then I believe that we probably may have a little chop right here once we come back up, and yeah, we're gonna break this level, come back down, sell up under this level again, creating more selling pressure and starting to push all the way down to 50K. I am going to sell price once I get back in up here. Once seller starts to either I'm gonna get in up here at this level, or I'm gonna get in at this level right here and sell price down here to this level, and then let the chop happen and wait for a breaker structure at 62,500 and sell it all the way down, because I'm at that point I can wait and I'm fine with waiting and letting it go. all the way down to 50K. If we make that break, because there's no support, there's no support here. It's gonna just swipe it down like nothing. So that's what I'm looking for. It's pretty much a waiting game. It's not much. It's pretty volatile right now. I definitely wouldn't get into any shorts at the moment. Anything can happen at this level. So let's look at the total market cap. Yeah, I would just wait. You know what I'm saying? I would just wait. I would just wait. Like, yeah, it can continue to go down because we need to test these lows and because it needs to build structure. Uh, the price could have broken out right here, but once we came down and tried to you know what I'm saying, and this is what you want, this is what you're looking for. It's like once we break structure, it's good. Once we break structure, even if it goes up, just put stop loss below and just wait for it to fall. And just like it's doing, it's just falling. And like the whole market is just falling, you know what I'm saying? So at this point, one thing I wanted to look at with quant moves faster than everything else in the market. And you see how like we made this, let me see real quick. We made this indication, right? We're going on this correction here, and price has the potential to sweep these lows and start to push back up. But now, if this is the new low, all we're looking for in reality is anything that will push down below here. Because if we wait for price to sell into the buyers and we break it, that means this level is no longer going to be respected. It's going to be disrespected, and it's going to become a rejection. So, in reality, right, we can have something like this. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, okay, once price makes that exclusive low, price will come back up, wait for that price, and get in at the same entry, and ride price all the way down to the lows, because you know that price is exhausted up here. So you just get in at the breaker structure, attack the lows. This would be first TP, second, third, if you're on that 15-minute timeline, or you just wait for price to swing it all the way down to these lows. So right now, that's what we're doing. I've already taken my trade for the day. I'm just gonna chill. I'm about to do some editing and catch up on my tasks. Go to the gym with my girl, and have a good day. I wouldn't get in until price starts to make a move up here and reject, baby. That's what we're looking for. All right. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace.